day here in Angeles City. I want to thank everybody for joining me on today's video. Thanks for being a subscriber, friend here on the channel. I certainly appreciate it. Oh yeah, it's been real quiet. The past few days I've been out. It's been so quiet. But hopefully, I'm going to have tourism open up like they say. I'll believe it when I see it. Get this economy jump started again. Alright, just enjoy the ride. We're headed over towards Hensonville. I'm going to shoot out the starboard side of the aircraft. The old car right there. You know, when you focus in on these trees and the tropical vegetation, the tropics, the Philippines, Southeast Asia, it's just such a beautiful place when you focus in on that. Now, if you focus in on the dirtiness and the trash, well, it doesn't have the same feeling. I try to block that out. Just focus on the palm trees. Right there, Deja's store. My buddy's store. If you want some good Filipino food, cooked fresh daily. Love eating over there. Oh, shooting on an iPhone 12 mini today, 4K, 60 frames, handheld. Yesterday's video was on a gimbal. Not a big fan of gimbals, but I'm just trying to compare the footage. And footage is much better on the gimbal. And I may have to start shooting on a gimbal, even though I don't like it. Yeah, dito. Hey, good morning everyone. Beautiful morning here. Good old Angeles City. Just taking a little early morning walk. See what's happening in the neighborhood. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful lady. My gosh, that was a beautiful lady at the Eurotel at the ATM machine. Folks, here's another tip. Okay, all these chicks who are OFWs, right? Ones who work over in the Middle East. They These chicks that work in the Middle East, OFW, overseas Filipino workers, when they come back, they got to quarantine. Unfortunately for them, they got to hit these quarantine hotels. But my goodness, you hang out or walk by. I'm not telling nobody to go stalk nobody. All right, I'm just telling you what I observed. when I walk by these quarantine hotels, there are some of the most beautiful ladies in the world hanging out when they're coming and going. And folks, these are your ladies who got real jobs. You know, they're working over in the Middle East. They got jobs, money. They're over here on their vacation. They're all dolled up, pocket full of money, waiting to see the family for the first time in 2 years, whatever it is. All I'm saying is when I go by and that van pulls up, dropping them off or picking them up or hanging around out front after they get off of their quarantine, my goodness. Beautiful, lovely ladies. And them ain't bar girls. Those are reputable ladies with jobs over in places like Bahrain, Kuwait, Saudi, UAE. Good thing about them chicks too, they can travel. They got passports. They got credit cards. They got ID cards. Big challenge when you come over here and meet a girl from the village. Don't even have a certified copy of her birth certificate. You're trying to get her some ID cards, passport, all that stuff. That's a damn chore. I've done it multiple times. But you meet an OFW, that chick's already got all her shit together. That's the good thing. Bad thing is, she ain't got time to jump in the car with you and tour around the Philippines or go to Boracay for a week. Because she's over here on a limited vacation, then she's got to get back to work in the Middle East. So, anyhow, something to think about. Some of y'all are looking for a Filipino wife. Anyhow, I don't even know what brought that up. But the bad thing about them chicks, they're locked into contracts over there working. They've obviously got families to support. Their dynamic is a lot different than some chick sitting in the village that ain't got nothing else to do but to chat you all day long on Facebook and dedicate 100% of her time to you. Chick with a real job and a real career, they can't do that. Oh, I know what made me start talking about that. I saw that beautiful chick standing at the ATM machine. My goodness. Dressed up in some Louis Vuitton or whatever she had on. Off to the starboard side of the aircraft, you'll see the Great Wall of China. All the jeepies here lined up. About to get run over because I ain't paying attention. CPI call shop off here to the port side of the aircraft. Man, I'll be tempted to pull in there, but it's not open. Well, maybe it is. The sign says open, but no, it don't look like it's open. I'm not sure what's going on there. It's early in the morning, so maybe they're just opening a little bit later in the day. But I haven't been there in a while. I don't know. I guess this place is called the Arena, according to the sign. Never really paid attention to that. Yeah, it's obviously open. No vaccine card and no entry. Beautiful flowers here. I know y'all seen it before, but wow, that tree. Yeah, might as well tell on myself. Stayed out late last night. Old lady got a little ticked off at me. She's gonna be madder than a smashed cat. When I come in into the crib. Beautiful Lewis Grand property. Let's see what happens in a few days, about 1 week, when it's officially open to foreign tourists. What's going to happen? This place is still on alert level 3, whatever the hell that means. We're welcoming tourists, but we're still keeping these asinine alert levels. Who knows? Who knows how that's gonna go? Beautiful church, Iglesia ni Cristo. Beautiful. Alright, there's Puzzles Cafe. Shout out to my buddy Dennis, man, over in Thailand. He used to like to eat breakfast there at Puzzles. Hope to see you over here soon, my friend. I'd rather be seeing you over in Thailand, but it looks like you'll be coming over here before I'm headed over there. Alright, here we go. Night Moves Restaurant, Star Bar. Highway 54, Day Bar. And there's a candy bar. All right. I'm not sure what's going on with the sidewalks, what exactly is happening. Everywhere you go, they got it dug up like this. Oh, that's a good place for the trash. Anyhow, they got this crap dug up. It ain't bothering me. I got my blue suede shoes on. I'm stepping nimble like a cat. But if you're rolling in some flip-flops or some Jesus Cruisers, you're going to get sand and dirt between your toes. Those little bars right there. I ain't been in them little bars in years. It used to be a crazy time in there. Crazy times. Alright. Pay attention to where I'm putting my feet here. Oh, that'd be a broken bone right there. Loading up the bread. At the ice bar. I don't know why I went wide out here in the traffic. I should have went on the inside. I'll go that way. It's a blue sapphire bar. Baby dolls. Platinum. Bar Princess. This is a diner, a Mott's. That's a good little bar right there. Me and my buddy Joe went in there. Shout out to you, man. Hope you're doing well over the States, my friend. We had a couple drinks in there. Had a good time. Oh, summertime. Goodbye to you. Man, we are clipping along at a high rate of speed. Little lap traffic coming down through there. What's today? Today's a Tuesday. Can't remember what I got going on today. Tuesday. For some reason, I think I had something to do today. Whoa. Swinging back around here. And I'm up so early, Bretto's ain't even open yet. On the car wash. Working at the... Oh, got an old VW bug in there. Morning. There you go, commercial lot for lease. Anybody want to come over here? Build a 20-story hotel. Now this place right here, Hangout, is open. And Honeycombs is not, last time I checked. Not up on all the stuff, but that Hangout, we went there, had a couple of drinks. They said Honeycombs is closed. And then the little bar next to it's open. So two of those bars right there are open. Oh, sometimes I think about you. Going up on the red planet here. Good morning. I see them folks right there all the time. Oh, red planet. Alright, so the mystery is solved. It's pretty obvious what they were doing, but repair and replacement of leaky pipes. Saw a bunch of digging and didn't see no pipes. Apparently that's why all the sidewalks were tore up. Makes sense. Steak Experience, your one-stop shop. All that meat right in there.